Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Val and today I've got 2000 subscribers on the Valentech channel. Thanks to all who found my channel helpful and interesting. Today I'm working on the vintage Seiko 5 automatic watch, and I'm recording my work to show the process of servicing and restoring this watch. This is old watch, probably from 70s. I will find out when I look at the case back. And overall condition is not too bad. Normal scratches on the case, bracelet, and some signs of use for many years. The bracelet is not in bad shape also, and I will try to buff it as well as the watch case. So let's start from opening the case. And the case back has some engravings, some writings, which probably point to the previous service. Let's check how this watch performs on the Timegrapher. And looks like this watch runs very slow with very actually low amplitude, but the beat error is pretty good. I am removing stem to get movement out of the case. Yeah, let's take a look. This dial is in very good shape. Actually, no scratches, no dirty spots, no signs of old age. I'm removing hands now just to start disassembling of this watch. Hands are also in good shape, looks like. I'm not sure if they still produce loom, but I will take care about that later. Losing couple of screws that hold the dial, and now I can remove dial with dial holder, and now I proceed to remove the day disc, which held on place by this C-clamp, and I am lifting C-clamp together with the disc for day, and now separate them. Okay, so next is, I find out that there is some bend on the upper plate, and it could be fixed very easily. 3 small screws are holding the upper plate, and I am removing these screws now. And this is third screw. Now I can lift the upper plate and put it aside, removing the hour wheel, and then date jumper and date ring. Now taking out one screw which holds date finger and date driving wheel, taking them one by one out of the movement. This is intermediate wheel for date mechanism. Now I'm removing the holding plate for minute wheel and setting wheel. This is minute wheel and this is intermediate setting wheel. Now I will start to disassemble keyless works. Released some setting spring and removing two screws that hold this setting spring. On the setting spring there is a yoke with a dedicated spring all together. I found some dirty place, a dirty spot on the yoke, and also removing the sliding pinion. Now time to remove. There is a long spring. And now removing the cannon pinion using Presto tool. And this is the cannon pinion. It will be cleaned later on. Now last part of from this side is the setting lever. And that's all for that dial side. I am flipping off this movement, installing it in the holder, and starting to remove the movement side, the tray and wheel side actually. This is first screw to remove to take out the rotor for automatic part, automatic works, which held by 3 screws, which are removing now. Yeah, this is reminder, please like, subscribe. You can comment, you can ask questions, please do. And this is I'm finishing to remove third screw for holding the automatic works. Lifting automatic works, and this is actually assembly of several parts, and I will disassemble this assembly later. First of all, I need to release power from Mainspring, and when balance stopped, I can start to disassemble the all other part of the movement, taking out the ratchet wheel, and the barrel bridge is held by 3 screws. Removing those screws now. And also there is click that held by 1 small screw, and I am removing that screw now, and now I can remove the click itself. And next I can lift the barrel bridge. After that I can remove couple wheels from wheel train. and this is the barrel. Now I removed the screw which holds small bridge, but before removing the bridge I need to take out the balance assembly. It's held by one screw. Now I am lifting the balance assembly, and then I can put it to the safe place in preparation for cleaning. Now I can remove that small bridge. And I am removing escape wheel. Next I will disassemble the pallet fork by removing two screws that hold the pallet fork bridge. Gently lifting the pallet fork bridge and pallet fork itself. Checking, looking at the jewels, they look good, and pivots are in good shape too. And this is the center wheel, which is the last part for the movement to remove. And the only thing is what left to remove couple screws that are holding the dial. Now I can disassemble the automatic works. It contains several parts. I'm removing a couple screws that hold the cover plate. And this is the cover plate. And then on the cover plate I will find the magic lever. It's called Pawl lever, P-A-W-L, and this is the reduction wheel, and that is all for automatic works. This is the bridge itself. Now I can take care of mainspring and barrel. I opened the lid on the barrel and removing it from the barrel and mainspring inside, and I'm removing the arbor. And now I can remove the mainspring from the barrel. The removal of mainspring is done always by hands, and this is how it's done. The mainspring is the dirtiest part in the watch, because it was oiled before putting inside of barrel, and it works for a long time, for many years, and all this grease was making mess inside. Now I can clean the mainspring using 99% alcohol, but this is preliminary cleaning, because after that I will clean everything in ultrasonic machine, also cleaning the barrel lid and barrel itself. And these are trays with all parts what I got from this movement during disassembling. All these parts are ready for cleaning in ultrasonic machine, and I will do it in the second part of this video. For this, part 1 is all what I wanted to show, and thank you for watching. Please give this video a like if you like it. Please comment. Please ask questions if you have them, and also subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.